The Allana Group, established in 1865, is the largest manufacturer and exporter of frozen halal boneless buffalo meat from India. The company has been recognized as a premier export house by the government of India. And pet foods form a very important offering of ours. We're India's largest manufacturer and exporter of treats, chews, and ingredients for pet food. The group has established 5 modern production facilities strategically situated across India, beside their integrated abattoirs. Our global footprint also extends to Ethiopia, where we have yet another facility to manufacture these treats. When we say that we're a company focused on the quality of our products, we mean it.